Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a remarkable piece of home technology that's making waves in the cleaning world, the Coovy SU7 cordless vacuum cleaner with touchscreen. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Coovy SU7? This cordless vacuum cleaner is designed for effortless cleaning, combining powerful performance with innovative features. It boasts a robust 580W brushless motor that delivers an impressive maximum suction power of 50 kilopascals. But what truly sets it apart is its smart suction system. This system automatically adjusts the power based on the debris it detects, providing a tailored cleaning experience whether you're tackling pet hair, dust, or larger particles. One of the standout features of the SU7 is its extended runtime. With its removable 8x2500 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 80 minutes of cleaning time in eco mode. For those quick cleanups, it offers adaptive runtime options ranging from 20 to 60 minutes depending on the suction mode you choose. Whether you're in auto mode, standard at 40 kilopascals, or going all out at 50 kilopascals, this vacuum has you covered. Plus, the system includes status alerts and low-power protection features, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Another highlight of the Coovy SU7 is its interactive LED touchscreen dashboard. This feature is not only eye-catching but incredibly functional. It displays real-time information about your battery life, suction mode, and even error codes. You can effortlessly switch between auto and smart modes or choose from 4 manual power levels with just a touch. The dashboard also provides cleaning analytics and maintenance reminders, making it more than just a vacuum, it's your cleaning companion. Now, let's talk about the practical design. The Coovy SU7 features a patented V-shaped anti-tangle brush. This unique design helps prevent hair wrap, which is a common nuisance with traditional vacuum brushes. In fact, it's 50% better than standard brushes in this regard. The brush head also offers full maneuverability, with 180 degrees lateral and 90 degrees vertical swivel steering, allowing you to easily clean under furniture and in tight spaces. Integrated LED headlights help reveal hidden dust in dark corners, ensuring no speck goes unnoticed. What makes the Coovy SU7 truly versatile is its complete cleaning system that comes with 3 specialized attachments, a crevice nozzle, a 2-in-1 brush, and a sofa brush. This means you can easily switch to handheld mode, making it perfect for cleaning stairs, cars, curtains, or even delicate surfaces. It's designed for families, pet owners, and anyone who values a clean home without the hassle of cords or heavy machinery. In practical use, the Coovy SU7 excels in a variety of settings. Whether you're dealing with pet hair on carpets and hardwood floors, picking up crumbs from the kitchen, or doing a quick cleanup in your car, this vacuum handles it all with ease. Its lightweight design means you won't strain your back while cleaning, and the cordless feature adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to move freely throughout your home. In summary, the Coovy SU7 cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerful, user-friendly solution for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. With its smart technology, extended runtime, and versatile attachments, it's built to meet the needs of modern households. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.